Hello everybody, this is a tutorial on how to make a basic LED flashing circuit. First of all, you're going to need all of these parts right here. LED, PNP transistor, resistor, all of that stuff. First we need to grab a breadboard though, and then attach the transistor. To do this, we're going to add the three 906 transistors to the two distance slots and plug their E slot to power with the jumper. First of all, we're just setting up these wires. Then we're going to add the three 906 transistors to the two distance slots. Okay, now we need to add the capacitors. To do this, we will connect both capacitors. Each goes from transistor's B slot to another transistor's C slot. This should be done for both capacitors. So now we're just adding our capacitors. Then we're going to add the 100K resistors. To do this, we will plug base on each transistor into a 100K resistor on each side, which then plugs into negative. So you gotta grab the 100K resistors. First, we're setting up these yellow wires right here. Then we'll plug base on each transistor into a 100K resistor on each side, which then plugs into negative. Like so. Now we are adding the second 100K resistors. As you can see, I'm rearranging this wire because I kind of messed up. Okay. And then next, we're going to have to add the LEDs, the main part of this tutorial. We're trying to get these things to blink. So, let's plug the 470 ohm resistor from the collector on each transistor into their respective LED, which plugs into negative. Now we are adding the... oh, that's the other 100K ohm resistor. I mean 470 ohm resistor from the collector. Then we're going to bring out the other 470 ohm resistor. Now we're bringing out these. The LEDs, the main part of it. So we just place them like so, and then we're going to have to do the final step, which is supplying power to the circuit, and the LEDs will finally blink. So let's grab our 9-volt battery. One of my capacitors was not properly connected to the second transistor. I found this out after troubleshooting. If your circuit is not properly functioning, you should probably check out all your parts too. As you can see, we got it working. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.